Hello and welcome to another video by DecDev. Today we're going to quickly go over the concept of doing a WSL install. Now, WSL is Windows subsystem for Linux. If you're on Windows 11, there's a good possibility you've already got the installer installed and a few other bits, but I'm going to run through it anyway. So if I type in WSL and press enter, on my system it's saying Windows subsystem for Linux has no installed distribution, but it does mean that WSL is installed technically. So in theory, what we need to do then is WSL -- install and install all of the whole subsystem properly. So if we do that, it will go through the install and you'll have to restart your computer, wait for a few meaningful sort of updates, and then it will be back to the desktop. You'll then open up your terminal again, run it again to make sure it's actually installed. And when I say installed, it will tell you that it's already installed and the following list of valid distributions that could be installed. So you kind of get this information here, different distributions of Linux. So different types of Linux can be installed. Now, it even tells you exactly how to do that. WSL -- install -d and whatever the distribution name is. For our purpose, we're going to go fairly generic. We're going to use Ubuntu. So what I'm going to type in is WSL -- install -d Ubuntu. Zoom in a little bit so you can actually see it a little easier. And I'm going to press enter. Notice how it says installing Ubuntu, 0%. It's now downloading the Ubuntu installer. Okay, during the installation, it says we have a failed with error number. The error is that WSL2 requires an update to its kernel component. For more information, please visit this link. So what we're going to do now is hold down our control button and click this link. It's then going to open it in a browser so we can go and have a look at it. Kernel updates package for x64 images. So here's this download. So we're going to click on this and we'll download the update package there for the kernel. Okay, now that that's downloaded, we'll go into the folder and we're going to double click on that update. And now we can click next. And we're going to say yes to allowing it to update. And it's completed the subsystem update there. Click finish, close that and close that. Now I'll press any key to continue. I'll just press enter. Now I'm going to try and launch Ubuntu. As it may take a few minutes. If all's going well, it will prompt you to enter a new Unix username. I'm just going to put Tom, press enter, and then new password. Okay, it's done it, and now I'm in Ubuntu. It's currently Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS edition. Now we're actually having kind of a version of Linux sitting on our Windows installation. We can do different Linux commands. One thing I'd advise you to do straight away as soon as you've installed it is an apt. Well, actually, we've got to do sudo. sudo allows you to elevate your privileges to an admin just temporarily to run this application. So we're going to do sudo apt update. This will now pull all of the latest links in and information about the latest software. So we click on enter or press enter. Now you have to put your password for the user that you just made. Now it's going and pulling in this sort of data to say, okay, I now have access to the latest packages for this particular release. Okay, once it's finished, you may have it saying so many packages can be upgraded. Run apt list upgradable to see them. Well, we don't need to see them. We know we need to upgrade. So in this case, we'll do a sudo apt upgrade. And if we don't have to keep typing a Y to say yes, we can do -Y to say yes to everything and press enter. This now pulls down all of those packages and installs them with the newest and most updated versions of them. Again, this isn't a Linux tutorial exactly. This is just an installation, and this is just verifying and making sure it's installed. Okay, that's all finished now. So at this point, we have the latest version of Ubuntu 22 LTS installed and working and up to date. That concludes this video for today. Have a great day.